If you own a car, there's a good chance that you routinely change the oil and rotate the tires to make sure your car runs smoothly. The routine maintenance you perform on your car helps increase its lifespan, and the same is true for your HVAC system. Did you know that the average cost of a new HVAC system is roughly the same as a car? So why not give them the same treatment? Maintenance is critical to improving the lifespan of your HVAC system. Your furnace and AC can last up to 20 years, but not if it's poorly maintained. Proper maintenance is as simple as changing your air filter and signing up for an annual maintenance contract. The 5 benefits to having HVAC maintenance performed on an annual basis are longer lifespan, improved home safety and comfort, better air quality, lower energy costs, reliable operation. With regular maintenance, your furnace and air conditioner can also operate at peak performance, deliver up to 40% savings on heating and cooling costs, and reduce your carbon footprint by 30%. Bell Brothers wants to help keep your HVAC system running efficiently and reliably all year long. Become a Comfort Club member to receive the benefits of annual maintenance and additional member-only perks. Learn more at bellbrothers.com/Comfort Club.